Pow, 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 pow. That is a big pack. Oh my days, Marcelo. Get in my club, son. Who else we got? We got Melito, who I think, you know, I'll send him to the transfer list. I think there'll be people interested in him. Instead of me selling him, I may as well give him away.
A few moments later.
No. Don't even pick. Nah. No way. No. I don't believe it. I don't fucking believe it. It's actually Danny. I thought for a start it looked kind of like Danny Alves in disguise with a fucking beard. But that is that. Oh my god. I don't know how much he's going to sell for.
This pack's going to be messy. It's company! What the fuck? I've got like, what, 4 good packs in a row? That is stupid. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
That was Nasri. That is a good pack. That is a very good pack. This guy and this pacey motherfucker.
Okay, who do we get? Hopefully someone decent. Come on. And oh, we get company. I've got company. Shit. Fuck. I've got company in a pack. This is one of my first packs ever. I've got company. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Company. I've got fucking company. Oh shit. This is the best starter pack ever. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Yes. Yes.
Right, last pack, come on.
Thiago Silva!
Fuck off! I just get Thiago Silva! Yes! Oh! Oh my!
No! You got Bale. Allow you. Give me someone, please. Please. A good player. Oh my god. Ah! I got Bale as well! Yes! Yes! Come on! Get it! Yes!
A few moments later.
Van Persie! Why am I celebrating about Van Persie? That's troll. I'm actually discarding him. I just... Mad? Are you mad? Are you all mad? Are you all mad?
Oh, in form! Iniesta! Oh my! Harry! I just got Iniesta in form! I can't!